Hi guys, it's Olivia and Corey, and today we're going to be making a Father's Day craft. Here's an example of what we're going to be making.
So get ready to gather your supplies. So find something circular around your house that you can trace in the middle of your paper. This will be your happy face. Next, you're going to draw the face and color it however you want. So now you're going to grab a different piece of paper around your house and you're going to fold it in half, so get ready to make your hands and trace them. Next, you're going to write "I love you, Dad" on the piece of paper, like this. Next, you're going to grab a glue stick and glue your hands on the piece of paper. Next, you're going to grab your lollipop and your tape and tape it onto one of the hands. Yeah. Here is our Father's Day craft. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Put the finger like that. See you next time. Bye.